I'm in my bathroom today because I'm gonna attempt to go copper. I'm very excited but really nervous because the first color right here shows an orange color, which I guess is what copper is. Not really, it's like a reddish gold. So I'm gonna apply it as a hair mask. I've been putting this off for like 2 weeks now. So today's the day. My hair is looking very damaged and really grown out. So let's do it. I'm ready. I'm just adding quite a few pumps in the bowl. Gloves are on. Let's do the first strand. I think I need new gloves. These are starting to be so stretched out. There's the first strand, and this smells so good. There's no turning back now. It's looking so orange. That has me worried. Now I'm just gonna run this comb through it just to make sure it's all spread out evenly. I do like to keep the conditioner in the shower too, so if I see that my hair color is fading, then I will just do like a quick 3 to 5 minute in shower hair mask, which that's what I was using the mocha one for whenever I was a brunette. I have been wanting to do this probably since before Christmas. I finally got the nerve to order it on Amazon. It's been sitting on my bathroom counter. I've just been working up the courage to finally do it, but I think it'll be a nice change for the new year. This is like a demi-permanent dye, I want to say. I am trying to go like up a little higher, especially back here, so that I'm not missing any sections. I am combing out each section as I go. That looks like it's fully saturated. What do y'all think? Am I gonna hate this? Or am I gonna love it? Cause I'm kind of in between right now. I haven't been red in so long. Probably since before I had Jace, and it's coming up on his 8th birthday soon, so I'm nervous but excited at the same time. I'm all clipped up and fully saturated. Now I have these spots on my face and my neck area. I'm just gonna wipe them off, and so that they don't stain, I'm gonna take some conditioner, any conditioner, apply it where any of that extra dye was, and just let it sit while the hair dye sits. This is something I've been doing since I was literally like 12 years old, dyeing my hair at home with my mama. And I have it all over here because I had to take on and off my gloves so many times. So I'm just gonna saturate all of that and just kind of let it sit. While we wait, I figured I would show y'all this little Walmart haul for Ellie because I found some really good stuff. Y'all want to go potty? Go potty? All right, let's take the dogs out first. Okay, I'm back. I did a poll on Instagram asking where y'all shop for girls' clothes, and a lot of people said Target, Carter's, and H&M. Y'all know I love me some Walmart. So after scrolling those places, I ended up just quickly scrolling the Walmart website. I came across this Pink Floyd sweater dress and I thought this was so cute. And then I ended up finding so much more. I do like to switch these plastic hangers with these pink ones. I have gray ones for the boys. I get them on Amazon. I think they're Amazon Essentials. I need to order some more bottom hangers, which I get those on Amazon too. I was very excited for that outfit. And then I came across this one. It's a little sweater with the matching wide leg pants. And what I love about Walmart is that they have a lot of multi-packs. So mostly everything that I ordered came with at least 2 items. I found this little sweater set too, with the little sweater leggings that match perfectly. I basically got rid of her whole closet because she had all 2T. And I didn't end up going to Target because my mom had already done a Target haul for her for Christmas. I did also come across these little Valentine's PJs. How cute are those? And yes, it came in a 2-pack. How cute! And these actually are Carters. And that's another reason that I ended up going to Walmart too, because I know that they do also sell Carters. There's another set of PJs. This one came in a 4-pack with a little short. These are Little Star Organic. I loved this set with the matching pants. This one also came in a 4-pack with the matching sweatshirt and sweatpants. And then this one has the floral print and the matching sweatpants. Obviously, you could interchange those prints with each other. I went crazy over this 3-pack of pleated skirts. How adorable are those? Another 3-pack. It came with a tie-dye, the heart tie-dye, and actually I bought it just for this one because that was so cute to me. I guess this did only come with 3, but it's really cute, and these flowers are actually embroidered. This one says cool vibes, and then the lettering on the cool is embroidered. It matches this, but it also matches these sweatpants. Hey girly.
Hi,
Like
Mommy.
this little velvet dress that she's wearing right now.
Mommy, that's my breath.
Yep, that's yours.
Yay.
It's cute, right?
No, Mommy.
Here, show the camera. This is an embroidered heart floral t-shirt. This 4-pack I ended up getting because I really liked the crisscross on the back of this one. And this one's actually from the Children's Place. Also came with a gray and black leopard print that has hearts inside the leopard print, which I thought was so adorable. This pink one with the black hearts and the ruffle on the bottom, so cute. And then this last one is just a plain black with the ruffle on the bottom. I did also get a 3-pack of Granimals little jeggings. So it has the medium wash, the pink, and the dark wash. And I got these bootcut jeans because I thought they were so cute. When I was sharing the link on Instagram, I realized that they're little boys, but you know what? I don't care. I would have bought them for her anyway if I had realized it. And then it has the like medium wash. I thought that was super cute. That is, I think, my full haul for her from Walmart, and honestly I got really good deals on these. I did also get some really nice jackets for the boys because we're thinking about going to Colorado for spring break, and I feel like it's still going to be cold over there. Camo with the orange on the inside, and it also a little button stretchy part on the inside so that if you are in the snow it just gives you extra protection. It also has thumb holes for them. I ended up getting Jace the same one in a different color. He's in a size 8 and Braden's a size 5. I like the bright blue on the inside. It has the matching zipper. It also has the buttons. They also have zipper pockets, and this one also does have the little thumb holes. I got these from Amazon, and they are Amazon Essentials. This is the Amazon Eco line, but I did grab it for Josh because he wears polos to work. It's a nice casual brown color, and it is a cotton fabric. Very, very soft, nice quality. It does run true to size. He likes the fit of these. I've also gotten him the dry fit fabric one. I think it's by Amazon Essentials. It might be the eco-friendly line. I'll link it in the description below along with everything else. He really likes the Amazon polos. Oh no, I got conditioner all over my shirt. I got this machine that I'm very excited for. It's essentially a spray tan machine that's wireless and portable. I'm just like kind of worried about how I'm gonna get my back, but we'll figure it out as we go. Maybe that can be the focus of my next vlog. What's my hair looking like? I'll be back once I rinse out my hair. Here it is wet. I was gonna do my makeup, but I'm so eager to see this color. It's cute inside, but when I FaceTime Josh, sitting in the car waiting on Jace to get out of school, it was really orange. I'm gonna go in with my Luxe blow dryer. This is actually a Dyson dupe that is really good. This one's about $150, which is the same as the Shark one. Of course, I still have my Walmart Dyson dupe, which was like $30. I'm gonna put some makeup on so we can see how the finished look would look, but it is a gorgeous color. I just feel like it's a little too edgy for my personality, but it's beautiful. If you are wanting a bright, edgy copper color, I totally recommend the Clenditioner. Okay, honestly, I'm kind of loving it. But like when I look down at it, it looks really orangey red. I kind of want to do a mix of the copper with a mocha so that it doesn't take away all the copperiness, but it does give it a little bit more of like a brownish chocolatey color. Let's call Josh and see what he says.
Damn, it looks great. Call you back in 5 hours.
Okay, bye. Love you, bye. This might have been a win, even though I thought it was going to be a fail. So major thumbs up for this Clenditioner color. Brayden says he likes it. You like it, Brayden?
Yeah!
I'm calling my mom though to get her approval because I know she won't lie to me. What do you think?
Yeah, they look so cute.
You like it?
Yeah, looks really nice. If it didn't look nice, you know, mom would tell you.
I know, that's what I said.
Right away. You look
Okay.
beautiful, yes.
Oh, thank you. Okay, it's mom approved. Guess we're keeping it. It's the next day and I've changed my mind. I think I am gonna add some of the mocha just to deepen it a little because I feel like it's too edgy. I did a poll on Instagram and adding mocha actually won, which I probably wouldn't jump the gun and change it if I didn't know that I was gonna eventually change it. So I might as well change it now and be done with it for a while. I am gonna pump some of the copper in there because I do still want a red coppery undertone. I'm just gonna pump some of the mocha in there too and just mix these two colors. I'm actually kind of running out of the mocha, which sucks. Okay, it's a really rich coppery color. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really pretty. First layer down, I'm probably just gonna leave this in for maybe like 15 minutes. Yesterday I left everything in for like an hour. I feel like if I would have left the copper like bright orange, I would have just been questioning it, you know, and asking like, does it look good? Does it not look good? Is it too much? I think toning it down will definitely be the right move. There's what it's looking like, fully saturated. Yay! It's already the color that I wanted. I did a full face of makeup and now is the moment of truth. I haven't seen it. I think I'm obsessed already. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. See what I mean about how this is a little bit more practical and wearable? The other color was beautiful, but I don't feel like I'll be questioning this color. A little bit of this Color Wow Dream Coat. This is mostly for smoothing and shine. I'm also gonna do this HSI Argan Oil Thermal Protector and my round brush blow dryer. Okay, that was totally worth it. I'm absolutely loving this color and it's a lot more wearable I'm not questioning if it looks orange, but it's still got those copper vibes. This is the first color of 2023. And it's a good color. So I hope you had fun. Thanks for hanging out. In my next vlog, I will be doing the wireless spray tan. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed. I also want to do a side-by-side comparison of my 2 Dyson dupes that I have. So that video is coming soon. Now that I'm loving my hair color, I can do all the hair videos that I've been putting off. But thank you so much for hanging out. I hope you had fun. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. What do we think? I love it. I haven't been red in so long, and this is so fun.